Hello and welcome. If you want to completely delete your ChatGPT history, here's how to do it step by step. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left sidebar, you'll see your list of conversations. At the bottom, click on your profile or settings icon. From there, go to Settings, then select Data Controls. Now, if you just want to clear conversations from the sidebar, click on the Delete All Chats button, and they'll disappear right away. But if you want to permanently erase your history from OpenAI servers, choose Delete Account. This removes all your conversations, account info, and personal data. But remember, it's permanent and you'll lose access to your account. On mobile, the process is similar. Just tap the menu, then go to Settings, Data Controls, and you'll find the same options. And that's how you delete all of your ChatGPT history. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.